my early predictions of what I think the main events of night 1 and night 2 of WrestleMania 42 will be. I did this as well last year for WrestleMania 41, and I was quite close. I guess for night 1 that would be Roman and Seth, and for night 2 it would be The Rock and Cody. So close. But yeah, man, if this is your first time seeing my face on your screen and you love everything wrestling, hit that plus button. My guess for night 1's main event is going to be Cody, who will be the WWE champion after he beats John Cena against Randy Orton. Ever since Cody returned to the WWE, his most anticipated feud has been against Randy Orton. They have their history as part of Legacy. Cody Rhodes pretty much started his career being, I think Randy Orton was his mentor pretty much. So this makes a lot of sense. They can tell a great story. I'm gonna give you a boring one for night 2, The Rock and Roman. Come on, man. Like, I think it's the right time. It's the right time. This was meant to happen last year. This year, I think this was meant to happen at 2020 with, bro, even as early as like 2017, 2016, I believe. So let's get this dream match, get it out of the way. The Rock retires. Halas.